Previously we have seen net present value and initial rate of return and how it assess. So now we are going to see how the net present value and IIR become. So these are the data that I have created for the example. The first year we have invested $350 in the one of the investment. Then we have gained over the 4 period year 100, 200, 150 and $75 accordingly. So our cumulative cash flow becomes for one of the $350. Then we have back of $100, so that becomes 250, then 50, then 100, and at the end 75. So what the present value of the investment is? So first we see the present value of cash flow that we have invested. So that become only 350 because that is the time that we have assessing. Then the second is at the first year, that is $100. So what the present value is? The future value upon 1 plus rate of return into number of years. So these are first year. So what we have done here is $100 upon 1 plus interest rate, which is 5% raised to 1%. This is the formula that we have taken. The $100 after the year is now $95 for us. That is what the meaning is of present value. Then same as the $2 at the 2 years now is going to be $181 for us. As such, 129x $61, and the total sum of that is $11792, which is called net present value. If we want to see only a third year's net present value, then we can see that the $150 is now worth 129, and the 4 year what are we going to earn, $75 is now worth only $61 because of the interest factor. That is what this is showing. Then we are also going to see the initial rate of return. So how the initial rate of return is calculated is all the investment that we made plus all the year, and we just have to simply type the formula, that is equal to IRR. You just have to select all the year and you find initial rate of return. Net present value is greater than 0, then we should accept this. So here the case is 117, which is obviously greater than 0, so we can accept it. Then the initial rate of return is 19%. The condition for it is it must be higher than the interest rate. So here 19% is higher than 5%, so we can accept this investment.